Hi everyone, I'm Miss Abby. Today we are going to be doing shadow drawings and I'm going to show you a bunch of really cool things that we can do with them. Here are the materials you're going to need for this project. The first thing you're going to need is some kind of paper. I have notebook paper right here, I have cardboard, and I've got a roll of paper. You can use whatever paper you've got. You're also going to need some kind of toys or Christmas decorations or something that has a cool shadow that you can trace. These are just a few of the toys that we've got in our house right now. And you'll need some kind of marker or pen or something to make marks with. I also have some craft sticks and a box cutter so that we can make little puppets out of the cardboard if we want to. One last thing that you need for this project is sun. So you can see my toys here cast some really great shadows, and so does Logan, because of the sun, and those shadows are what we're going to trace around.
What are we going to do now?
Okay, so what are we going to do now? Now we're going to trace the shadows of all of the toys that we got out.
Undo Francis.
Okay, you do Francis' shadow.
Undo his eyes on here.
Okay, so can you trace all the way around the shadow?
Can you help me trace it? Right.
Here. Okay, hold it in your hand, and I'll guide your hand. You ready? Okay, let's trace around the shadow. Go around here.
Trace his eyes.
Here. Oh, this marker is not very good. It's all dried out. Here, let's try this one instead.
Yeah, marker's all dried out.
Okay, here, hold this marker.
Mark.
Yep. Okay, and then we'll trace around the front, and then we'll trace his wing, and then we'll trace the back, and the tail. Oh, yeah, and the propeller, and the rest of the tail, and down. All right, and then we'll move Franz, and then we'll draw in the rest of him. The wheel, and the plates. This is the windshield where his eyes are. And another wheel. There you go.
Undraw his eyes.
Okay. His eyes are just two little circles in the middle of the windshield. There's one eye, there's the other one. I also brought out some cardboard to show you one more thing that you can do with these. So, I'm really loving this guy, so I'm going to do him again. You can turn them any way that you want so that their shadow looks different.
I turned this off.
Yeah.
But sorry.
I like his shadow like this.
I take it off so it could have some. I'm gonna trace it in. I'm gonna put it back in here.
Okay.
That's back in here. It's back in this hole. But this let me twist that back in hole.
Alright.
Up this line.
And then once you've done this, you can cut him out and make him into a little puppet. So I'll show you guys how to do that. So now that we're done with our shadow drawings outside or inside, you can also, if you don't have a gorgeous sunny day and it's raining and gross, you can still do this project. You can still turn on a bright light or turn on your cell phone light or get a flashlight out. And you can still shine that on your toys or your Christmas decorations. Once you're done, you can do 3 different things. You can probably do more things that I haven't even thought of. So try to think of other things that you can do with these. First, you can just color these shapes in. They make really cool like coloring book pages. If you arrange them in certain ways, you could even do like a whole scene with a tree and all of the dinosaurs. We could have done that. You can also, if you're doing this outside or inside, you can move the flashlight or outside, you could wait for an hour, see how the sun moves across the sky and changes the shadow of what you're looking at. So see here, this black shadow is the first one that I drew, and then the purple shadow is a little bit later after the sun moved, and the shadows change size and shape. So that's a cool, more sciencey thing that you can do with them. Remember, we also cut out our cardboard cutouts. So another thing you can do is take those cardboard, and kids, your parents are gonna have to cut these out. These are really hard to cut out with anything other than a sharp knife. So parents are gonna have to do that for you. But once your parents have cut it out, you can color it in. This is how I colored mine in. And you can take a craft stick, put some glue on it. I just have regular school glue, so this works great. And you can take your school glue, put some on your craft stick, and stick it on the back. And now you not only had fun playing with the sun and the shadows, you can have lots of fun with a new homemade toy made by you. If you make one or you make a shadow drawing, post it in the comments or post a photo of it somewhere online and tag the library. We would love to see what you made.